Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Best Stories in English, your go-to channel for learning English in a fun and engaging way. I'm Jennifer, and today, we're diving into the colorful world of idioms. Idioms are expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say. They add flavor to our conversations and make our language more interesting. So, if you want to sound like a native English speaker, these are the expressions you definitely need to know. Ready to spice up your English? Let's get started. Our first idiom is break the ice. This idiom doesn't mean literally breaking ice with a hammer. It means to start a conversation in a social setting, especially to relieve tension or awkwardness. Imagine you're at a party where no one is talking. If you make a joke or ask a question, you are breaking the ice to make people feel more comfortable. Next time you meet someone new, remember to break the ice with a friendly comment or question. It works like magic. Idiom 2, piece of cake. The second idiom is piece of cake. No, it's not about eating dessert. When something is very easy to do, we say it's a piece of cake. For example, learning these idioms is a piece of cake. Whenever you find something easy to do, just say, "That was a piece of cake." And watch your friends' faces light up. Idiom 3, hit the nail on the head. Number 3 is hit the nail on the head. This idiom is used when someone says something that is exactly right or accurate. It's like perfectly hammering a nail in one go. For example, if you give the perfect answer in class, your teacher might say, "You've hit the nail on the head." Use this idiom when someone makes a perfect point. It shows you're paying attention. Idiom 4, under the weather. Next up is under the weather. If you're feeling sick or unwell, you might say, "I'm feeling under the weather today." It's like saying you're not feeling your best because of the weather affecting your mood or health. Don't forget to use this idiom when you're feeling a bit off. It's a gentle way to let people know you're not at your best. Idiom 5. The ball is in your court. Moving on to number 5. The ball is in your court. This idiom comes from sports like tennis. It means it's someone's turn to take action or make a decision. If you've done all you can in a situation, you might say, "Now the ball is in your court." Use this when you're waiting for someone to respond or take the next step. It's a fun and sporty way to pass the responsibility. Idiom 6, bite the bullet. Number 6, bite the bullet. This means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. Imagine a soldier biting a bullet to endure pain. For example, "I need to bite the bullet and finish my assignment." Use this idiom when you need to do something tough. It's all about showing bravery and determination. Idiom 7, let the cat out of the bag. Our 7th idiom is let the cat out of the bag. This means to reveal a secret, often by accident. Imagine someone hiding a cat in a bag, and it suddenly jumps out. For instance, "Oops, I let the cat out of the bag about your surprise party." Be careful with secrets. Use this idiom when you accidentally or intentionally reveal something. Idiom 8, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Here's a practical one. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. This means to accomplish 2 things at once with a single action. Like doing your homework while listening to a podcast. By studying for my test while commuting, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Use this idiom when you manage to be super productive. It's a great way to brag a little about your multitasking skills. Idiom 9. Burn the midnight oil. Idiom number 9 is burn the midnight oil. It means to stay up late working or studying, like using an oil lamp in the old days. For example, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project on time. If you're up late working hard, this idiom will definitely fit your situation. But remember, sleep is important too. And finally, number 10, spill the beans. This is similar to letting the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal secret information. For example, I didn't mean to spill the beans about your new job. If someone can't keep a secret, you might tell them not to spill the beans. It's a fun and light-hearted idiom. Story using the idioms. Now, to make these idioms stick, let's use them in a fun little story. Pay attention to how each idiom fits into the context. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a girl named Lily who loved to break the ice at every party she attended. She thought it was a piece of cake to start conversations. One day, Lily and her friend Sam decided to organize a surprise party for their friend Tom. Sam accidentally let the cat out of the bag when he mentioned the party in front of Tom. Oops! Lily had to hit the nail on the head with a quick joke to cover up the mistake. Despite feeling under the weather that day, she managed to turn the situation around. Later, when the decorations were almost done, Sam asked, "Should we add more balloons?" Lily replied, "Now the ball is in your court, Sam. Make the decision." The party was the next day, and Lily realized they were running out of time. "We have to bite the bullet and get everything done tonight," she said. So, they burned the midnight oil, working until dawn. By the time the party started, everything was perfect. Lily had managed to kill 2 birds with 1 stone by preparing Tom's favorite snacks while practicing her cooking skills. But when it was time to celebrate, Lily spilled the beans about how hard they worked, making everyone laugh. In the end, they all had a wonderful time, and Tom was happy. They had used their idioms well and learned how to speak more like native English speakers. Comprehension questions. Wow, what a story! Now let's see how well you understood the idioms. Here are some questions for you. What does break the ice mean, and how did Lily do it at the party? Why did Sam need to bite the bullet? How did Lily kill 2 birds with 1 stone? What idiom would you use if someone stays up late working? How did the phrase "spill the beans" fit into our story? Write your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to see your responses. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these idioms help you add some fun and creativity to your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using these idioms in your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Also, comment for more videos like this, and check out the playlist on the end screen. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of Best Stories in English. Bye for now.